Alright guys, here we go. Just so you guys know, I already pre-cut the labels because I didn't want you guys to see me slip my wrist trying to open a cardboard box because I am weak. So let's open this up and see what we got for this month. It's my first time looking in this box. So I'll cue the music and we'll roll on through here. Wait guys, hold on. Sorry for the interruption, but check this out. You guys obviously love these gentleman boxes unboxings. So if you're interested, you should definitely go check out their website. 25 bucks a month. Can't get any cheaper than that. Also, you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to grow to 75 subscribers by the end of the year. And also, check out my Instagram, check out my Twitter, all the good stuff. Keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get back to the program. Hit those thumbs up. Gotta like this video so I can keep it rolling. Thanks for watching.